Whenever you see successful people, you think, wow, their life is so perfect. Everything seems to be going so well for them. And then you wonder, why isn't my life like that? These people are so lucky, that's why they have everything. Their luck is so good, they have a perfect life, family, relationship, everything seems just good for them. But the reality is, they are not just lucky. They have put a lot in a hard work and consistently worked on themselves. If you look at someone and think, wow, their skin is so flawless, or they speak so well, or they're so good at such a young age, it's not because of luck. It's because they have achieved all that through hard work, making small changes in their daily habits, and setting a clear goals. Hello everyone, I'm Sweetie Jaswal and I'm here with a step-by-step plan that can lead you straight to success. Follow it step by step and I promise you, you will achieve the success you have always wanted. Let's begin. Step 1. Redefine success. First, let's talk about what success really means. For most of us, it's easy to think success equals money, fame, or a perfect job. But that's not the whole story. Success, I feel, is very personal. For you, it might mean getting fit or building a strong family bond or finally starting that business idea you have been dreaming about. For me, success isn't just about growing my career, it's about being present for my people, making sure they feel happy or secure, and celebrating my small wins. Define what success means to you. Take a few minutes and write it down. Imagine your perfect day. Close your eyes and think about what a perfect day in your life would look like. Are you working in an office, running your own business, or spending time with your family? If your perfect day includes spending time with your family, success for you could mean having a job that allows flexibility. List what truly makes you happy. Write down the things that brings you joy. For example, I feel happy when my day is productive. I love helping people solving their problems. Set a clear goal. Break down what success looks like in your life into simple goals. For example, if success for you means staying healthy, a goal could be walking or running 30 minutes daily or eating good food. If success means financial independence, a goal could be saving 20% or 30% of your income every month. Focus on what matters most. Imagine you are at the end of the year looking back, what would you want to have accomplished? For example, running a side business, living a healthy and happy life, learning a new skill. When you know your definition of success, you stop comparing yourself to others and start focusing on your own journey. Step 2. Create a vision. Now that you know your version of success, let's visualize your ideal day. It's about setting a clear picture of your goals and dreams so that you know what you are working towards. Where do you see yourself, let's say, 1 year from now? Think about different areas of your life. Write down your vision. Be as specific as possible. For career, do you want to get a promotion or start a new job? For relationship, okay, be specific. What kind of relationship do you want? I want to spend more time with my partner, connect with him emotionally, go on monthly dates with him. For personal growth, what kind of skills do you want to learn? I want to improve my public speaking skills and communication skills. Use visualization techniques. I have tried it for many things and it has worked. Spend a few minutes every day imagining what success will feel like. Imagine working on a job or project you love, spending time with your partner, or ending the day feeling proud of what you achieved. This is your vision. Now break and divide it into smaller and realistic steps. When you have a vision, it gives you direction and motivation. It's like having a GPS for your life. Step 3. Create a daily routine that supports your goals. Most people fail to stick to routine because they make it too complicated. They try to change everything at once. Wake up at 5 a.m., go to the gym, doing meditation for an hour, read 50 pages, and then after 3 days, they quit. So here's a better way, the 1% rule. Instead of trying to change your entire life overnight, focus on getting 1% better every day. If you want to be healthier, just drink one extra glass of water today. If you want to improve your communication, just talk to one new person today. Find your golden hour. Not everyone is a morning person. Some person do their best work at night. Instead of forcing a 5 a.m. routine, find your best hour, the time you feel most focused and creative. Use that hour to work on your goals, even if it's just 30 minutes, protect it like gold. No distractions, no excuses. The tiny win ritual. Before you sleep, ask yourself, what's the one small thing you did today that made you feel proud? Maybe you spoke up in a meeting, or maybe you read one page of a book. The simple habits trains your brain to focus on progress, not failure. The more wins you see, the more motivated you will feel. Step 4, stay consistent even when it's hard. Starting something new is easy. Staying consistent, now here's the real challenge. There will be days when you don't feel like going out, staying, or chasing your goals. You will be tired, motivated, or just busy with life. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't always feel excited to do it, right? But you do it every day because it's important. You don't wait to feel motivated. You just do it. No 0 days rule. And no 0 day mean you do everything for your goal, even if it's small. Too tired for a full workout? Do 5 push-ups. No time to read a chapter? Read one paragraph. Even small steps keeps you moving forward. The key is to never stop. Step 5, upgrade your circle. Not everyone deserves a seat in your future. Some people are meant for your past, not your next level. Have you ever talked to someone and felt drained afterwards, like they just stole your energy? Maybe you were excited about something, and the moment you shared it, they made a negative comment, rolled their eyes, or say something negative to you. Suddenly your excitement was gone. These are the people who don't deserve in your upgraded life. Some friends aren't really friends. They're just comfortable with the old version of you. The moment you start growing, they feel jealous. They don't want you to rise because it makes them feel small. These people are like a phone with bad battery. Every time you spend time with them, your energy drops to zero. And after that, you need a nap, food, or alone time just to recover. Your future depends on your circle. Choose people who help you grow, not those who secretly hope you fail. Start today, not tomorrow. Don't wait for the perfect time because it will never come. The perfect time is a myth. The only time you have is now. Maybe you feel like you're not ready. Maybe you're waiting for some more confidence, more money, or more motivation. Let me tell you one thing, action creates confidence, action creates motivation. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to start. Close your eyes for a moment. Now visualize yourself 1 year from now. You are standing in front of a mirror, looking at a stronger and more confident version of yourself. You feel proud. You have achieved everything that you have planned for. You have achieved your goals. You feel proud, successful, and unstoppable. Now ask yourself, what did that version of you do differently? Did they wait for the perfect moment? No. Did they let fear stop them? No. They took action, they started. Every great success story began with one decision, the decision to begin. If you watched this video till this moment, it means you truly want to be successful, and that's what makes you different from the rest. No matter where you are today, you have the ability to change your future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe because it's just the beginning and we have so much to achieve. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.